Susan, we show you've registered for yourself, 4SB 114, is that correct?
It is.
Go right ahead.
Thank you. Thank you, Chairman Hunter and the members of the committee. I was actually, my late husband and I founded a company, Go Green Squads, which did energy efficiency upgrades. So I know an awful lot about that. We did thousands of projects, and it is, provided jobs for low-skilled workers and trades. And so again, looking at cost, reliability, emissions, and opportunities, which is the way I look at this, is energy efficiency provides local opportunities. So all across the state, you can't outsource it. It has to be done by people in the different locations. The refrigerants that are used in HVAC systems, the new ones provide a lot lower emissions, CO2 equivalent emissions. Those hydrocarbons are very high emissions, so the lower ones do a good job for the environment emission side. Costs people have already talked about from the grid side, but from a ratepayer, it reduces costs for the people and improves the quality of the air in their home and in general. And over 70% of electricity demand at peak demand time is from residential and small commercial. So to get rid of the high peak demand, and the peaker plant requirements, that's where it needs to be done. And with EVs and crypto mining coming up, I think we need to balance some of the demand, offset the demand. I do want to say one thing about, in general, the demand being reduced. I know it's like, well, then, the markets, there's going to be a problem with that. Well, we're exporters now, but we really need to look at being exporters with the new kinds of energy. So connecting a grid, I know there's resistance to that, but connecting the grid outside of Texas becomes really important for us to be able to continue to export energy. And I don't want us to go the way of coal states like West Virginia. So do it now.
Thank you, Susan.
Any questions?
Thank you so much.
Thank you.